Let's begin Yoga Nidra, our 7 primal chakras. Lie down in Shavasana, feet apart, palms facing upwards, back of the neck long. Allow the body to relax and sink into the floor. A quick scan of the whole body. Mentally observe your feet resting, your knees, hips, arms, chest, shoulders, back of the neck, crown of the head. The whole body is comfortable and resting on the ground. Allow the floor to hold your body. Feel calm, peaceful. Let go of any anxiety for next few minutes. Let your breath become natural. Let it flow naturally without any extra effort. Breath is coming in and going out. It is coming in and going out. With each inhalation, the breath becomes energized and it spreads this energy to the whole body. With each exhalation, the breath becomes calm and releases physical and mental stress. Enjoy this inhalation and exhalation. Inhale and exhale. Now make a sankalp. Today our sankalp is to energize our primal chakras with the help of the breath. Repeat this sankalp 3 times mentally. Now, bring your attention to your root chakra, Mooladhara chakra, located base of your spine, in between your genitals. Mentally visualize the location. Gently squeeze your genitals and feel the location of the root chakra. Stay connected with the location. And now, for 5 breaths, inhale and exhale, and send the energy to your root chakra. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale to the root chakra. Last time, inhale, exhale to the root chakra. Stay connected with the Mooladhara chakra. Observe as the chakra energizes. Simply observe. Now, move to the second chakra, Swadhisthana chakra. 3 fingers below your belly button. 3 fingers below your navel. And again, as you breathe, visualize the energy stimulating your second chakra. For 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Continue in your own time. And now visualize the chakra getting energized, spreading positivity, and gently move to the third chakra in your solar plexus region, Manipur chakra. For next 5 breaths, visualize the energy flowing towards your Manipur chakra. Continue in your own time. Count the breath mentally. And now visualize the yellow element, fire, the heat increasing in your belly. Observe as the heat grows in your solar plexus. And now move to your next chakra, Arhanta Chakra, located next to your heart in your chest. And breathe in and exhale. Send the energy to your heart chakra. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Observe your heart chakra as it gets energized and the feeling of joy spreads through you. Moving to your next chakra, throat chakra, Vishuddhi chakra. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, gentle, calm breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Feel the increase of Udan, the prana in your throat and brain. And move to the next chakra, Agya chakra, center of your brain, in between your eyes. And inhale, exhale. Keep observing. Breath is natural. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Moving to the last chakra, Crown Chakra. Locate at your crown. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Exhale. The whole body is now vibrating. Observe the vibration, the increased vibrations of the chakras. Observe for next 2 minutes. Down to up and up to down. Observe the increased activity of your chakras. Mind calm, body is calm. Just observe the increased flow of energy around your chakras. We will finish the practice. If possible, stay lie down for next 5 more minutes. Let's finish the practice of Yoga Nidra. And here the practice completes. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat.